wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best massage cushions. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the vibrating motors on the Gideon Powerful may not provide the kind of deep tissue relief you can get from a set of shiatsu rollers, but they do work well in concert with the unit's 2 heaters to provide a gentle loosening of tight muscles. It comes with a backlit LCD remote and 8 programmed patterns. However, it won't strap on to low-backed chairs. At number 9, the Wagen IN998912V features a field of 10 carefully placed biomagnets and a pair of infrared heaters dedicated to the lower back. These work in concert with 5 massaging motors to improve oxygen flow, loosen up tense muscle tissue, and soothe chronic pain. It increases circulation and comes with a long 8-foot power cord, but it migrates despite its tie-down straps. Coming in at number 8 on our list, designed with the achy driver in mind, the Relaxon 60-2910P comes with a DC adapter for use in the car, as well as 4 sets of straps to wrap the unit securely around your seat. You can adjust its function, speed, intensity, heat, and more. Its lumbar support pads improve posture, and it includes a handheld electronic controller. However, the outer material is low quality. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for massage cushions, or click beneath this video. At number 7, the Guess 18 Shiatsu is full of hot air, but in a good way. It features 13 adjustable airbags built to provide a firm degree of compression alongside the unit's 8 Shiatsu nodes and capable heating function. It is bulky, however, so it's better suited to a single chair. It shuts off automatically and has a mesh side pocket for storage, but some of the remotes arrive in Mandarin. Moving up our list to number 6, the Homedics Air Compression and Shiatsu works wonders on tight muscles while it lets you adjust heat and vibration to provide the specific attention your tired body needs. Its air pressure lumbar treatment gently squeezes your lower back. It features a removable cover for more intensity and a programmable remote. However, it gets noisier with use. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Belmint 7 Program Customizable has a pair of shiatsu rollers that make their way up and down your back at a speed and intensity that you select. You can also park them on problem areas and let them work out pesky knots over time. It works on either 110 or 220 volts and includes a comfortable neck pillow, but it doesn't get hot enough. At number 4, the Sharper Image MSI CS775H Air & Shiatsu comes to you from a company known for making durable luxury products. While this model might not be jam-packed with features, you can rest assured that its simplicity is the key to its longevity. It comes with 3 basic settings and adjustable air compression. However, it is too small for users over 6 feet. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Zillion ZMA14BK relaxes your neck and back at the same time to give you full upper body relief with 4 adjustable shiatsu nodes. The seat features a pair of vibrating pads to loosen up your glutes for added relaxation. It features a 15-minute automatic shut-off, a 1-year warranty, and dedicated neck rollers. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for massage cushions, or click beneath this video. At number 2, if you only feel the need to relieve 1 or 2 areas of tension, or if a certain spot is so badly injured that you want to protect it, the Happy Body Shiatsu pillow is small enough to focus on one muscle group at a time. Its size also makes it exceedingly portable. It boasts 3D technology for circular kneading and an external adapter junction. It works all over the body. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Homedics MCS750H Quad Shiatsu has 4 kneading heads that migrate up and down your back while tilting left and right to increase their coverage area. Its zone control lets you dial in on a specific spot for a longer-lasting custom experience. It features 3 diverse settings, a gentle amount of heat, and very strong rollers. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for massage cushions, or click beneath this video.